Karbi Anglong, where hills, forests, and communities stretch across vast distances. Here, democracy travels across towns, villages, and remote hilltops to reach every voter. Across Bokajan, Hauraghat, and Difu, over 531 lakh voters are served by 690 polling stations, from urban centers to the most remote regions.
Pardon, my name is Zinukhansati. I am really excited for the upcoming polling on the 9th April. It will be my first time and I'm looking forward to take a part of the process. I hope everyone turns out to vote.
In towns, polling stations are easily accessible. In rural areas, the journey grows longer. But in the remote hills, reaching a polling station becomes a challenge. Across the district, 21 polling stations are located in such difficult terrain, ensuring that no voter is left behind. Jolian village is one such remote location. Located 51 kilometers from Difu, the journey begins on the plains and then continues through a 35-kilometer stretch of steep, winding hill terrain. As road ends, the final stretch must be covered on foot. Home to the Thado Kuki community, Jolian reflects a life rooted in nature and simplicity. Even here, the spirit of democracy remains strong. 3 polling stations have been set up at Jolian. Jolian LP School to the right, Jolian LP School to the left, and Jolian ME School, serving voters from 11 villages with a total of 1,070 electors.
Karbi Anglong election district has 3 legislative assembly constituencies, Bokajan, Hauraghat and Difu, and being one of the largest districts in terms of area in Assam, it has one of the most remote polling stations. We had the opportunity to actually see how Jolian polling station is located and how it requires a lot of effort from the polling parties to reach that polling station. But this is not all. Like, we have a total of 21 such polling stations which require the polling parties to actually travel 1-2 days in advance to reach the polling stations. Yet it has its own beauty, it has its own challenges, and it has its own stories to tell. The hospitality of the people around, they have always been very supportive of the polling stations.
Polling personnel begin their journey 2 days in advance. They travel across hills and forests, and where road equipment is carried on foot. This effort reflects a commitment to reach every voter.
আমি এতিয়া উপস্থিত আছো এনেকুৱা এটা ভোট গ্ৰহণ কেন্দ্ৰত এইটো পাহাৰৰ একেবাৰে ওপৰত ডিফু বিধানসভা সমষ্টিৰ জলিয়ান পোলিং ষ্টেচন আৰু ইয়াত 3টা পোলিং ষ্টেচন আছে আৰু এই 3টালৈ ডিফুৰ পৰা কিন্তু বিশেষ দূৰ নহয় ডিফুৰ পৰা 51 কিলোমিটাৰ অনলি কিন্তু 51 কিলোমিটাৰ হলো 35 কিলোমিটাৰ কিন্তু কেঁচা ৰাস্তা আৰু সেইকাৰণে বৰষুণ দিলে ইয়ালৈ আহিবলৈ অসুবিধা হয় কিন্তু ইয়াত আহি পোৱাৰ পিছত দেখিব যে প্ৰাকৃতিক পৰিৱেশ ইয়াত বহুত ভাল ইয়াৰ গাঁৱৰ যিসকল ৰাইজ আছে বিশেষকৈ ইয়াত কুকি জনগোষ্ঠীৰ লোক বাস কৰে তেওঁলোকৰ যিটো কোঅপাৰেচন সেই কোঅপাৰেচনটো পুলিং প্ৰিজাইডিং বিষয়াসকলে পায়
For many here, voting means walking for hours across difficult terrain because the right to vote is deeply valued. From towns to the remotest hills, democracy in Karbi Anglong is defined not by distance, but by determination, reaching every voter across every terrain.